should have got the smoke, but then again I said I don't care. They're just turn signals. So I got the clear. So it's they're giving me 2 lights to turn signals. And some little tape, I guess, to stick it on there so they don't pop out. This is for a 2007 Yamaha R6S, but mine's a 2008. The model hasn't changed for a while. And this looks like it's the left and then the right. So I'm gonna go ahead and untarp the bike. Yeah, my tarp's ripped. I gotta get a new one. But I'm gonna untarp the bike and pop everything off and show you guys what it looks like. Part that sucks the most right here, unscrewing everything. Now, you see here, there's little pins in there that you gotta pop out. They're all over on the sides. There. Oh, I installed that LED, and that LED. It's kind of blurry, but the LED right here, here, and there. But whatever. You gotta pop out pins here and all on the side. So let me do that real quick. After popping all them little pins out, you gotta pull this and then just kinda wiggle around with this piece in here. I'm just gonna unscrew one more screw on the side over there. Alright, I got that unscrewed, so now I'm just gonna pop that open. Squeeze that through, and that's it. So here is the old big ass freaking thing compared to the new. It's a big difference. Very big difference. Alright, so I just stuck the wire through, plugged it in, and now let's just, I haven't put the tape on it yet, so I just stuck it in to see what it's going to look like. There you go. Looks pretty good actually. And then when the turning signal is off, it don't just stay on like the other one used to. It's going to be pretty cool. Alrighty. Now let's just do this in super fast motion and I'll tell you guys, show you guys the next one. And here it is.